Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 E350 4MATIC. This one's a polar white. Under the hood's a 2-liter inline-4 turbo pushing out 255 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. We've got front and rear LED daytime running lights. For wheels we've got 18-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Inside we've got a macchiato beige black MB-Tex interior. Panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our E350 4MATIC badging. Power lift gate. A set of new floor mats. Fold down rear seats. This one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless go and keyless entry, an LED logo which appears when you open the door, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, a natural grain brown ash wood trim, heated steering wheel. Happening, we've got our touchpad steering wheel controls. They are now displayed on two 12.3 high resolution screens. We've got paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, navigation. This one does also come with the parking assistance package, which gives you an active parking assist and a surround view system. Dual climate controls, hard keys for our media display, wireless charging, USB port, cup holders. We've got our dynamic selects for different driving patterns. Also our wheel for the media display. This E-Class has 2,255 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E-Class, check out feldmanimports.com.